your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're exploring the concept of the modern outdoor kitchen, and let's learn how to elevate your outdoor living space with a modern outdoor kitchen. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. This innovative design trend is revolutionizing outdoor living, transforming backyards into functional and stylish entertainment spaces. We'll delve into the definition of a modern outdoor kitchen, its numerous benefits, and practical tips for decorating and equipping your own. We'll also discuss essential items to consider for a truly modern outdoor culinary experience. A modern outdoor kitchen is a sophisticated outdoor space designed for cooking and entertaining. It typically includes essential appliances like grills, refrigerators, and sinks, often complemented by stylish cabinetry, countertops, and seating areas. There are many compelling reasons to invest in a modern outdoor kitchen. First, enhanced outdoor living. It extends your living space, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors for longer periods. Second, social hub. It creates a gathering place for friends and family, fostering memorable experiences. Third, increased home value. A well-designed outdoor kitchen can significantly boost your property's value. Fourth, healthier lifestyle. Outdoor cooking promotes a healthier lifestyle, encouraging fresh air and exercise. Fifth, reduced indoor heat. By moving cooking outdoors, you can help keep your home cooler during hot weather. To equip your modern outdoor kitchen, consider these essential items. Here are some of the best items for a modern outdoor kitchen. 1. High-performance grill. A versatile grill is the centerpiece of any outdoor kitchen. Look for features like multiple burners, side burners, and rotisserie options. 2. Outdoor refrigerator. A dedicated outdoor refrigerator keeps beverages and food fresh and easily accessible. 3. Outdoor sink. A convenient outdoor sink for washing hands and cleaning up. 4. Outdoor bar. A stylish bar area for mixing drinks and entertaining guests. 5. Outdoor fireplace or fire pit. A cozy focal point for gatherings and ambience. 6. Outdoor TV. Elevate your entertainment experience with an outdoor TV. 7. High-quality countertops. Durable and stylish countertops, such as granite or quartz, can withstand the elements. 8. Stylish cabinetry. Well-designed cabinetry provides ample storage space and adds a touch of elegance. 9. Comfortable seating. Invest in comfortable outdoor seating, such as lounge chairs, dining sets, or bar stools. 10. Outdoor lighting. Illuminate your space with stylish lighting fixtures, such as pendant lights, wall sconces, and string lights. How to decorate your modern outdoor kitchen to look good. To create a stunning modern outdoor kitchen, consider these decorating tips. First, minimalist design. Embrace clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek materials for a contemporary look. Second, functional layout. Optimize the layout to ensure efficient workflow and comfortable movement. Third, high-quality appliances. Invest in durable, high-performance appliances that complement your kitchen's aesthetic. Fourth, stylish lighting. Incorporate ambient lighting, task lighting, and decorative lighting to create a captivating atmosphere. Fifth, comfortable seating. Provide comfortable seating options, such as bar stools or outdoor dining sets. To inspire your next outdoor culinary adventure, we've curated a list of 10 stunning modern outdoor kitchen designs. These ideas showcase the latest trends in outdoor living, combining functionality with style. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual cook, these designs offer something for everyone. Here are 10 inspiring ideas to help you create a stunning modern outdoor kitchen. 1. Minimalist modern. Embrace clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek materials like stainless steel and glass. Consider a minimalist design with a focus on functionality and efficiency. 2. Industrial chic. Combine raw materials like concrete, metal, and reclaimed wood for a rugged and industrial look. Add exposed brick walls and Edison bulb lighting for a vintage touch. 3. Tropical paradise. Create a lush, tropical oasis with vibrant colors, exotic plants, and natural materials like bamboo and teak. A water feature can add a calming touch. 4. Mediterranean style. Incorporate terracotta tiles, wrought iron, and Mediterranean-inspired plants for a classic look. A pizza oven or grill can add authentic flavor to your outdoor cooking. 5. Scandinavian simplicity. Keep it simple with light wood, minimalist furniture, and natural textures. A few well-placed plants can add a touch of greenery. 6. Urban terrace. Maximize space with vertical gardens, raised planters, and compact furniture. Consider a modular design that can be easily reconfigured. 7. Family-friendly kitchen. Prioritize safety and comfort with features like railings, steps, and child-friendly furniture. A play area or sandbox can keep kids entertained. 8. Entertainer's kitchen. Create a space for social gatherings with a built-in bar, grill, and plenty of seating. Consider adding a fire pit or outdoor kitchen island. 9. Zen retreat kitchen. Foster tranquility with calming colors, minimalist decor, and a water feature. Use natural materials like bamboo and stone for a serene atmosphere. 10. Futuristic kitchen. Embrace cutting-edge technology with smart appliances, automated lighting, and a sleek, futuristic design. Consider incorporating sustainable materials like recycled glass or bamboo. A modern outdoor kitchen is the ultimate luxury for any home. By following these tips and incorporating the essential items, you can create a stunning outdoor space that will elevate your lifestyle. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs. We'll continue to share tips and tricks to help you create your dream outdoor kitchen. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.